I made my first amazing Super Soaker video back in 2018. It was not a great success, so I got some hints in the comments about how to improve, and I've been working 4 years now doing a better design, and now finally I managed to do something amazing. Take a look at this. So I first needed to make the trenches out on the snow to get to the safe area for testing. Then I decided not to put only one but more of the Mentos into the barrel. Then I twisted in the gun. I was taking it a little bit. It was building the pressure, and you can see the amazing results. This is absolutely crazy. Look at it go. This is just amazing. It's one of the coolest things I have ever seen in my life. Amazing. Just amazing. Look at that thing. Oh.
I almost beat it up, I believed it so. I think I'm chasing just ghosts. Better let it go before I die. You could never be mine. Years pass, I still think about you. I've traveled around the world. I've met so many sweet ladies, but it never felt the same. They tell me it's foolish, they say it's not true. Memories were sweet every time. Let go if you gotta survive this. She will never be your wife. Letters I have kept, and photos too. In my sleep I'm still dreaming of you. And now I'm ready to come back to sleep with you. I hope you still love me too. Years pass, I still think about you.